Alright, so what I want to show you is creating an out of bounds picture using Photoshop Elements 9. And what I found out is what you want to do first is to downgrade your theme on Windows 7. You do that by going to the Start tab, the search box, type in themes. Here we have change the theme. Now, when I first bought this laptop, I was running Aero themes, and that seemed to slow the process of making the out of bounds picture. So what I did was I went here and I selected Windows 7 Basic, and it helped out quite a bit. So you want to select Windows 7 Basic, close that out, and now go into Photoshop Elements. Alright, from here I'm going to go up to File, open a picture file. I'm here in My Pictures. I select my picture I want. Now we want to go to the far right tab here and click on Guided. Scroll down to the bottom. And here we have Out of Bounds. We'll select that. And if you scroll over that picture, you get a before and after of a little sample. So first step is to add a frame. You can make adjustments on the sides as well as the corners. So before we click on the green check mark, one feature that's pretty interesting is the perspective feature. And by holding Control, Alt, and Shift, you can achieve custom shapes with our frame, which I'll demonstrate. We'll click on the side box. We can skew it this way. And if we click on a corner box, we skew it this way. I'm going to choose that. Bring this edge down. Now I'm going to Control Alt Shift again. Bring the edges in. And I'm happy there. I click the green check mark. I click the green check mark again, and that finalizes. We scroll down on the far right, and here we see Quick Selection Tool. We want to select what we want to keep in our picture. Up here we have Add to Selection, Subtract from Selection. We want to choose Add to Selection. Now we go over and select what we want in our picture, and there we can see I got a little background that I don't want. I can fix that later, so I'll continue adding until I get what I want. Now I can go up to Subtract from Selection and take out anything I don't want. Okay, a little too much there, so I add again. And I'm done. Alright, now we create out of bounds. Click here. And there we go. Your out of bounds picture. A couple of other effects they have are stylizing or shadow effects. I'm going to select a large shadow. And last, you have a choice to add a gradient. which I'm going to do. Click OK here. You can change the angle where the shadow is coming from. I'm happy with that. You can pick a linear gradient, angled gradient, diamond. I'm going to stay with the radial. This is the gradient picker. And that basically is different colors, shapes, like so. I like this one. I'm going to close out this box. If you click on the color selector, you have a chance to customize it further, but I'm happy, so I'll close this box out. I'll select OK for my gradient fill, and there is my final picture. Far right, I come to the bottom, select done, go back up to the top, select full, and I'm back to my original editing, and this is my final picture. And that is creating an out of bounds photo with Photoshop Elements 9 on Windows 7.